Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video I'm going to show you how to draw easily without taking your pencil off from the paper. So this challenge can help you to improve your drawing, and it is so helpful for observation drawing, and also also it's basic, but it is one of the technique that everyone needs to try before even start any kind of drawing. So for today's video I am using Pinterest, and I'm gonna use some of these figures, and I'll try to draw this without taking my pencil off. So you can choose anything else, or you can even choose the same picture if you can just take a picture of it and then just use Google search or Pinterest to find the same picture and use that as the reference. So let's just leave this in one side and let's get started. So it is challenging, and at the same time as it's easy, but it is so good for improving your drawing and then become very quicker. So let's get started. It doesn't matter you get the exact thing, but it just matters that you get the form, and then when you look at your drawing and the picture, so you just feel it, it's kind of the same thing, but not all the details obviously. So let's get started. So as always I start from the head. So I just try to do it with the shape. It doesn't matter how many times you repeat in each line. The only matter is not getting your pencil off. That's it. So that's one arm. So the standing form, the chest. So one of the arm is behind there. And also the form of the bodysuit is here. Let's get back to the arm again, and then okay, so let's get to the hip. So we can see that one of the knee is in front of the other one. It might be very hard if you're trying to it for the first time, but the more you practice, it becomes more basic each time. So it doesn't matter, all the mess and everything is normal, which is happening right now. The matter is only not picking up your pencil. That's it. And then I can see a bit of the other arm around here. Is the challenge done? Yes, but let's do the hair as well. So this is what I could see. Is it successful? Yes. Does it have the same pose, and is it kind of same figure? Yes, it is. And how long did it take? It was about 2-3 minutes I think, but it's kind of the same thing and figure. So for the next one I'm gonna do the same technique. So I'm doing this one this time, and also I'm gonna look at the time, and I'm trying to do it in 1 minute if I can. So let's get started now. see what we can do in 1 minute. So it is very good to challenge yourself and do this method whenever you are drawing a pose, and see how much you can get done. 1 minute. Okay, then the other leg. Okay, I've got 15 more seconds to go. 5 seconds and done. Okay, so of course I didn't get to all of the details, but I can still see the form in my drawing. But obviously if I have more time now, then I can start completing it by doing the hair. I think it's nearly done. I'm not going to do the clothing. I'm just going to just finish it a little bit with the details. So that's it. Perfect. So let's do the other one now. Let's do this one this time. Again, I'm using the same technique, but maybe I'm not counting the time because it's our first time doing this video, and maybe it's your first time you're trying as well. So let's just get our time and then do the third one. But normally when I'm doing it myself, and when I tried it first time at uni, it was like we could get 1 minute, 2 minutes and 3 minutes for same object, and see how much details we can do in like different timing. So this arm is to here, and then you can see the way she's posing. And then the other leg is behind the front one. Doesn't matter any extra line, any extra shape, as long as you are doing the same shape. Don't worry about the mess at all. That's it. I think it took me about 2 minutes if I'm not wrong, but still, yeah, it's good enough to see what I'm doing. Okay, I'll just move my book there that you can see the last one. So then let's do the last one, and then without timing. The only challenge is not taking the pencil off. That's it. So again, I'll just move my pencil around and only draw what I see. Okay, then I can see the standing pose. The way up again to the other leg. The arm, I can see a little bit of the arm here, and that's it. And then hair. I'm not worried about the details, I'm only worried about the pose. Okay, I think I did what I'm supposed to do. So these are the 4 figures that I wanted to do, and these are the figures that I'm done in about 10 minutes. So basically it was about 2 or 2.5 minutes each. So if you've never tried this method before, just start trying it from today, and I promise that I'm making another video next time about how to do it in 2 or 1 minute. So we will challenge the time, and also just holding the pencil down on paper at the same time. I really hope you have found this video useful and learned something new today. Thanks for watching, and let me know in the comments what would you like to see in the future video. So thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and support me with your likes and comments, and bye.